You will love the features of this 2016 Lexus GX. This vehicle still has fewer than 100,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Take your passion for comfort along on every adventure in this bold and capable GX. From the driver-focused cockpit within its peaceful cabin to its deluxe passenger amenities, this 3-row luxury trail machine satisfies like no other. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, navigation system, sun, moonroof, backup camera, 8-cylinder engine, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, heated rear seat, fog lamps, dual zone AC. Feel confident and supremely comfortable in this handsome GX. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.